out to bail somebody out of jail. Oh my gosh. Normally I'm a cooking channel, but I'm gonna throw this out there because it might help somebody. All right, so a buddy of mine called the other day from jail. He said, Papa, can you help me here? And I was like, oh, okay. So I get off the phone with him. They get 4 free phone calls. I still don't understand why after 4 free phone calls they charge them minutes. That's another story. Anyway, so what you do then is you go to wherever they're at on the website and you pull them up and you'll see their charges, and then you got to wait until their bail is posted, or the bond is posted. And I went ahead and contacted a bail bondsman. We had no idea what was going to happen, and you just keep refreshing and you just keep waiting, because you can't do anything until they go before a judge, and it'll either be in a couple hours in the morning or a couple hours in the afternoon. If you miss it, you just wait and you eat that crappy food. Anyway, before 5 o'clock, his information appeared, and it was 2 different things. Each one was $500. I was like, I don't need a bondsman for that. That's $1,000. I got this. So I drove up to the bank. I got $1,000 out in $100 bills. So I was going to pay his 2 $500 bonds. And when I got there, they said, he's PR'd. I'm like, I've never done this before. What is a PR? PR is, it's $500 a piece that you owe, but they're gonna let you go on your own reconnaissance, whatever that's called. And so we didn't know anything. I said, how long till he gets out? And they said, 6-8 hours. It takes a while to process. I'm like, freaking what? So I come home and I wait. Got that phone right next to me, waiting on that phone call. But what happened was, they get processed to be cleared, and they come out, and then they call you from their cell phone. And when I went to go pick them up at 3 o'clock this morning, there's all these other dudes just standing around, some smoking, some just standing around like this and everything else. Some of them been standing there for 8 hours waiting for somebody to come pick them up. I picked them up. We came to the house. His vehicle's towed, so I gave him my truck. He came back the next morning and picked me up, and then we went over and got his vehicle out of compound. Is that what you call it? I don't know. But anyway, settle down on your peeps in the jail. They're gonna eat awful food. If they deserve it, they don't. Whatever. You know, it just happens. But I went through so many things yesterday, and it wasn't good until I got with him and got to talk to him. And that's what you got to do. Just keep your peace, say your prayers. God bless. Hope this video helps you out. It's Papa Texas. Oh, check out my cooking videos. Yeah. Leave me a thumbs up too, mainly. See ya. Bad boys.